This is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to make your underbody look brand new again and protect it from stone chips and rust.
If your daily four-wheel drives, chassis and diffs are looking a little bit beat up, you want to give them a bit of a birthday, or you got a project car and you want to do the job right the first time, here's why Raptor coating your driveline instead of just painting it is the perfect option.
Because Raptor coating is thicker and tougher than normal paint, it's going to be able to take a much harder beating and won't scratch off as easy on four-wheel drive tracks or chip with stone chips. That's why you see a lot of caravans and camper trailers with Raptor coating underneath. Raptor can also do a better job at preventing rust if you prepare the surface correctly. We recommend a coat of Brunox to prime it because it has rust preventing properties in it. And because it's so easy to apply with either the 2-pack aerosol or with a basic air compressor setup and the Raptor kits, you can do a professional looking job at home. Plus, if you do manage to scratch it, touching it up is so easy and you won't even know it's been done.
Check out how good this housing looks all Raptor coated. Not bad for a shed home job by a bloke with no painting experience, eh? Just blows me away how easy Raptor is to use. So if you want to protect your driveline properly and make it look brand new again, why not Raptor coat it?